I'm bored of something, man.
No, I just ran to car.
Wow. Some Italian Jamaican fusion tonight.
Have them into that in their hole, you know. Cook them good.
That's a wicked one. I've definitely never had okra with pasta. Or ackee for that matter. But.
You have to try everything.
Exactly.
You're gonna nice too. You put some oil in that ratty.
What island?
Well, you don't want them to mash up. Now make me pass a boil too soft neither. Fucking bugger, man.
Oh, you got the bug? That's the guy.
Why'd you put my hotel away, man?
About to fall in the pot.
Get the ball.
The easily drop in your food in the restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah, me talking.
You said that exactly.
So them rub. You know your food and want to come. You don't play that. One time I eat one of them in a one night, you know, man.
Oh no.
Fuck, man.
The worst.
I spit the whole fucking time, man. So me know them rub.
Oh.
You be dropping your food where you did there. You don't want to come mess it, you know. Ackee and Pasta and Salt Mackerel and tomatoes, you know?
I think you invented this one.
Yeah. This one's a new stuff come up, you know. Doing a red stripe, them man, you know, and to drink a red stripe.
It's pretty warm.
Get warm all warm back to road.
It's completely warm. It's probably 30-degree red stripe.
The prod.
Let's
Come
go
up
on
on
the pot.
the pot top.
Uh-oh. Dog war. This dog war is so crazy. It's Wani. I was like, why is there a dog war happening?
It's just me.
Okay. Welcome back.
So go on a ganja run, you know? Go on a ganja run, you know?
Wait.
Just up a Gloria's.
So where you going to grab?
Ganja.
Oh,
And grab a couple bananas, St. West.
yes, sir.
Enjoy.
Yeah, give thanks. I'm just gonna go eat a pot, you know?
See you, Wani.
Look at more guys.
Later. Hot pot, watch out.
Good. That's very good.
Got it.
Move, you don't go down there.
Red, green, gold too. Rasta Pasta. This is the real Rasta Pasta. This is it.
Take everybody's picture. We take that man's old picture, my old picture. Remember? Take my old picture and female's picture. Remember?
I remember.
Like, come over here.
Yeah.
Over my yard, over here.
You took some wicked shots.
Yeah, look on them on the laptop.
Meh.
Yes.
Meh.
Yes. Halayata. Yes. I trick you and trick me. I trick you and trick me.
Can't tell me nothing.
Trick. Ackee can you too? Rocky. That's a salt mackerel. The mackerel. All the banana on my
A little bit of oil.
Rasta Pasta, man. Rasta Pasta, you know. With pomodoro, Hey, Salt Mackerel, Ackee Skeleton time. Season, yo, man, check out this. Check out this and I will like it. You know, see the look? It's red, green, gold. Don't play. Do a nice up, you know? It's not a joke. That? No, you're not going to want more of this, you know. And I ask for more, but when you don't ask, you don't get it the full 100 all the while, you know. Just like this. This is a new one come out, you know. Rasta kicking pasta. This is a new invent. You like it? You talk about it. You're more and more. So it look good?
Oh yeah.
Oh, whoa. Yo, please come and come enjoy this meal, you know? You're welcome, you know? Right here. Rasta kitchen. No problem, no fuck you know? Wow, man, it's mad.
Looks so good, just like that.
Mad shit, man. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it up, you know.
Oh.
And the road with it, I'm gonna eat it up.
Let me get the light.
First birthday, I'm gonna get this try, you know. This is the only birthday. Me run the fence, we don't get no damage. We make other things, we get damage. I come and cook birthday food, the whole and the foot burn out, you have to blood.
Oh, what? Last year
Yeah,
you said.
man,
Yeah, you got the hot stone in your boot.
Watch it. See mark there, no, man.
Yeah, you got a good scar.
You see there?
Whoa,
Whoa,
that's a mean one.
Wicked blood, see all there, look here.
Whoa,
All there.
rough.
Rough. Burn out white like chalk to blood. See this stone there? I keep it, man.
That's the evil one that got you.
Yeah, man. Take all the pot and it drop down in my rubber boot so to blood cleat. Hot like white to blood
I
cleat.
love how you kept it. The stone
Wow.
that burned you.
Yeah,
As a
man.
reminder to.
Reminder, this was my birthday last year.
That happened on your birthday?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's horrible.
Fish tea me a cook, you know.
Oh, rough.
Fish soup me a cook, you know, brother.
No good.
No good, you get cooked, man. But we are with that thing. I know this should be number one. This.
Number one video?
Yeah, man. Number
Mhm.
130 with this one. Yeah. When they never see like Ackee Salt Mackerel from my door and I dance Skeleton on time. They never see this video come out. It's a new one. A new one. And mother road again, you know.
No, tip.
More like
What?
here.
What you really I do? Take up the tea chip and pack it up, man. Good, man. Until later day, man. I don't want it. Close it up, man.
Take your big foots. Big
Close
feet,
it up, man.
big feet.
I don't want it, brother.
Wow.
Night, no pasta.
You don't want none. You want that now?
Want food, but me don't want the pasta part.
You know how you go get food with the pasta part, brother.
No pasta. Pasta in the Ackee. No. Ackee Salt Mackerel.
You sure you don't want none of this thing, boy?
No, eat that. Pasta.
You want that, you don't want it?
No.
Think I was born, we don't born. Yeah. Then we ball out with this. Mix up everything. Get the one taste up. Make it nice up. What you think?
You get all of it.
Looks good.
You get all of it. You don't get none.
Yeah, brother. Check this out.
Wow.
Well, we finished process heat now.
Time for bon appetit.
Mm-hmm.
Time for one of our eat.
This is it. Rasta Pasta. Dog war.
Dog fight.
That works.
Yeah, man.
Magical thing for saltfish and ackee to work with the pasta sauce, but somehow it works.
It's like it's nice, or this nice.
Did I say saltfish? Salt mackerel. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like mackerel nice. Wow.
And the freshest ackees that we picked today, right?
Really pick them. We take out all the something out of it.
Yeah, but check out this food. This food is really good. Maybe I'll cook this more often. Mackerel. Come on. Wicked boy that you know. Big and serious and big and real.